Music is my life.
Can you imagine what that must feel like? To hold 3,000 people in the cup of your hand. I would like to take some more lessons.
What about a pianist?
Yes, I shall need someone. Someone with passion.
Cosme McMoon?
That's me, sir.
Now, I must warn you, I work very hard. I study an hour every day. Sometimes two.
She's remarkable, isn't she?
She can't be a little flat.
Flat?
Just a tad.
If you can forgive Madame Florence her little eccentricities, you will find her to be a most generous person.
The lady is a lesson in courage, and that's why we love her.
Bravo, funny.
And all the reviews are just terrific.
Yeah? Ours is a very happy world.
We could have been a family.
We are a family. Are we not happy?
This is my favorite place in the whole world. And I'm going to sing here.
I think this might be too much for you.
If you truly love me, you'll let me sing.
I cannot play Carnegie Hall with Madame Florence.
You know she will not survive the evening without us. Will you play with your friend?
Oh boy, we're gonna die out there.
Those men, they've seen horrors. They need joy. They need music.
But I'm afraid.
Don't be. They're going to love you. It's going very, very, very well.
This is what we live for, isn't it? This moment.
Expand your diaphragm, Florence.
Do you want to try another take?
Well, I don't see why. That seemed perfect to me.